A common mulch that you can use in your garden would be pine straw, pine needles. It's always a good idea to use pine needles because one thing, they will definitely stay in place. Secondly, it's always a good idea to use organic mulches, something that can be broken down and used by the soil. They help cut down on the splash effect, of course. And thirdly, guess what? Slugs and snails do not like to go over pine needles because it cuts their bodies and hence leads to their death. So again, it's a good idea to use pine needles in your garden to mulch your vegetables. They stay in place, they're beneficial because they're organic, they will break down and be used by the soil, and the slugs and snails don't like them. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.